Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get TikTok stream key for OBS. First, make sure your TikTok account is eligible for live streaming. Your account should have at least 1,000 followers and your age must be 18 years or older. If your account does not meet these requirements, the stream key option will not appear. Now open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Tap on the plus icon to create a new pause, then swipe until see the live option. Tap on it to enter the live setup screen. Here, look for the option that says Connect to PC. Tap on it and TikTok will show you two important things, the streaming URL and the stream key. Copy both of them carefully because you will need them inside OBS. After that, open OBS Studio on your PC. If OBS is not installed yet, download and install it first, then launch the software. Now, click on Settings in OBS, then go to the Stream section. From Service drop-down, select Custom Streaming Server. Here, paste the stream URL into the server field and paste the stream key into the stream key field. Once done, click Apply and then OK. Next, you need to set up your content. In OBS, create a new scene, then add your sources. Add a video capture device for your webcam or external camera, add your microphone as an audio source, and if needed, add images, text, or media files for overlays. Now, go back to Settings and open Output section. Set your video bitrate between 4000 to 6000 kbps. Set audio bitrate to 128 kbps and choose NVENC as the coder if it is available on your system. After that, open the video settings, set booth base and output resolution to 1080 x 1920, which is the vertical format required for the TikTok Live. Adjust your camera and overlay so everything fits properly on the vertical canvas. Before going live, click Start Recording in OBS to start your setup. Check audio levels, video quality, and make sure everything looks correct. Once everything is ready, click Start Streaming in OBS. Now open TikTok on your phone and stay on the live screen. Your OBS stream should start showing live on TikTok automatically. While streaming, you can monitor performance from the stat panel in OBS and interact with the viewers directly from the TikTok live chat. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.